so we are traveling to Turkey today. I've just loaded the car up. I've got my suitcase there. Jyoti's just coming. Wait, can you see him? Can you see it? There we go. Yeah, so we're traveling to Turkey.
Yay.
Yeah, we're just about to leave home to hit the airport. We're going to Stansted Airport this time. We just need to make a quick stop to a store. I need to pick up a couple of things, and then we should be able to hit the road.
Yep.
Oh yeah. I don't know why I'm wearing a jumper. It's 22 degrees outside. It's probably for the flight, but you know. See you in a bit.
Yay.
Right guys, so a quick update. We ended up getting some Starbucks, and we ended up getting some crisps. Yeah, now it's saying 1 hour 44 minutes, and we're gonna be stuck in traffic. So I am shitting myself. It's gonna take us another hour extra. So I hope we're not late. So we just went on our second stop. We just needed to pee. Can you open the door? Yeah, so we're nearly there. I think it's going to be another like 20 minutes before we reach. Right guys, so we are got all our luggage all done, and now we're going to walk over to the bus stop. मोटी आंटी नहीं होती।
Cabin crew, please take your seats due to turbulence.
मैं इतनी बार टर्बुलेंस कभी नहीं देखी।
कितना टाइम में चक्कर होगा?
नहीं, मैं चक्कर बहुत बुरी तरह आंदे। Right guys, we have finally reached the hotel, and it's 4 o'clock in the morning here, but back in the UK it's like 2 o'clock. The flight was good. Everything was really well planned out, if that makes sense, because I went with Thomas Cook. So we had the flight with them. When we landed, they had like Thomas Cook people waiting outside. We got into a minibus, and then because our resort's like to the side, they dropped us off at a petrol station where there was a driver waiting, a taxi driver, so then he drove us to our resort. We've literally just got into the resort. It's super pretty, like it's so cute. I've never been in a hotel like this. Let me show you. So what we have is, right, that's like a textured wall. It's like to give a whole earthy effect, and you got that thing over the bed, and then you've got the bed itself. Literally, it doesn't, like, this camera's not giving justice for what I'm seeing right now. It's just so pretty. And then you've got a small TV, but you've got the mini bar, you've got the desk and the chair here, and then you've got this mirror, and then you've got a little cool chilling area here. We've got a little basket. I think it's just filled with blankets and stuff. Another mirror Then you got, these are the wardrobes. So you got the wardrobes. Yeah. You got the toilet. So when you walk in, so you got the toilet there, mirror there with the sink, towels and stuff, and that's the shower. That's going to be a bit tight because it's tiny, width, like not lengthwise but sideways. It's like a bit tiny, if you can see, but it'll be fine. And on this side we have a little balcony with, so you got 2 people to sit there, and then you got the swimming pool view with the trees. There's someone cleaning the pool. Yeah, this camera's not doing justice. You got Jyoti here, super tired,
Sleepy.
Yeah. Got a little sitting area downstairs. So that's what the vibe is. So cute. So yeah, I'll see how long this vlog is, and I'll probably merge today's, like after sleeping, waking up, do all the activities with this vlog, but I'll find out. We still need to get a SIM card, so yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that, or when we're gonna do that, or what the process is. So we need to do that, by the way, though. And I am super tired. My back, my legs are hurting so bad, and he's just playing with the lights. Keeps switching them on and off. Kid. Right guys, so we are up. We actually got up according to England time. So we woke up and we were like, oh yeah, it's like 9 o'clock, let's go get breakfast. But we realised it was like 11:30. Yeah. So we went there and they were like, lunch is going to be served in like an hour. And I'm like, what? I'm like, that makes no sense. I'm like, but it's like 9 o'clock, like breakfast should still be served. And then we realised that it was over, so yes, now we're waiting for lunch. But I was going to show you the outside view. So if you open up, so you got a little sitting area, and then so that's super pretty. And now we're just going to go have lunch, and then we're going to hopefully get a ferry over to MARMARIS. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's where we're going next, and we're going to explore the city, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a chill day, so we'll find out soon. Should we go?
Yeah, let's go.
This thing was waking us up this morning. Can you see it? There we go. It was waking us up this morning. Wow, that's zoomed in. Yeah, it was waking us up this morning, so yes. And now we're waiting for the taxi, and oh my god, there's ducks.
Hello.
Hello. Right guys, so what we've done so far is basically nothing and just bought food. We're trying to find a bus stop because the bus stop's actually like way cheaper than taking the water boat thing, the water taxi. So we're trying to find that, but we have no idea where it is. We did ask someone, but we don't understand what they said. But like, we did understand, but we don't, like, we can't figure it out now. So yeah, but the views are so nice. Yeah. Right, time for an update guys. So what happened is that we decided not to take the water taxi, which was 20 liras for one person. So we paid 40 one way, which is quite a bit like for Turkey. So what we did is we ended up speaking to this guy who was actually offering us an excursion, but I don't know if we're gonna do it, but it was a good deal though. It was for like £10 per person and it was like a whole day trip kind of thing. So I don't know if we'll do that or if we get time, but if we do then we definitely will. So basically he recommended for us to take the bus. Minibus. Right? And the minibus, it charges 3 liras per person, right? So we save like a ton of money to spend on food. So we were like, okay, we'll do that. It's a good idea. And we saved 34 liras. Yeah, we saved 34 liras. It stopped at a marina, and that's where all the boats are. But Adakoi is further, and now we're hiking back to the hotel. But the weather's good, like it's breezy, and it's not too sunny either, so it's not hot. But man, I'm struggling. Look at this. Oh, right. It's quite steep though, and then we have to go all the way down and then back up. So, yo.
Waduh.